In this video, I will show you how to move files from your computer to Google Drive. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to upload your documents, photos or folders to Google Drive so you can access them online and keep them backed up safely. And if this video does help you out today, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Google Drive and tech related tutorials. Now to get started, what you want to do is of course come across to your Google Drive. So to do that, if I open up a new tab, if you're currently logged into Google, you can just come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the Google Apps icon, and you're going to find Google Drive. You might need to scroll down a bit, but you should find your Google Drive, give it a click, and that's going to take you directly to your Google Drive. Once you've done that, if you come over to the left hand side, you're going to see this button called New. Give that a click, and from here you can either upload individual files or you can upload a folder maybe that has your files in. So in this example, I'm going to click onto folder upload. And what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer, which you can use to locate the files or folder that you want to upload and move from your computer to your Google Drive. So in this example, I'm on my desktop and I've got a photos folder here which I want to move from my computer to my Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is click to select the folder and then click onto upload at the bottom. So as you can see, it's going to ask if you want to upload the files to this site. Just click onto upload, and in the bottom right hand corner you're going to see the upload is going to start. Now once that's finished, you can locate this file or folder by coming over to the menu on the left hand side, clicking onto my drive, and you should find the folder in here. So you can see my one is here, the photos folder. We can double click and see all our files. Another thing you can do is come and click onto recent, which is going to show you the most recently uploaded files or folders, which you can see again we have the 3 files here, which was in the photos folder that I've just moved across to my Google Drive. So that is how to move files from your computer to your Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.